analysis. Yes. So yesterday what we were discussing, Tanvi, others please mute. Only Tanvi should answer.
Yes,
Yesterday what we were discussing?
we learned about inserting commas, international.
Yes, inserting comma
International.
and how will you write in Indian system and international system. Anyone is having doubts, we can do some problems, you have to answer it. I will not show
Ma'am,
you the answers.
In Indian system.
Yes, in Indian system
in Indian
and
system.
international system of numeration.
System.
Okay, so shall we start now? Some
Yes,
examples
ma'am.
connecting this.
Yes,
First problem
ma'am.
you can write. I will tell the first problem. First problem I will tell you.
Ma'am,
Rough book.
Rough book now in class notes you can write.
Ma'am, can you tell the sixth question?
Yes, wait 1 minute. Now that one over, rough book you are writing, no? Not necessary.
Ma'am, now we should write in the notes,
now you
right?
have to write in your class
Not-
notes.
Not rough book, in class, not sixth
Yes,
question.
in class notes. First problem you write. First heading.
And we stopped question number 6.
Yes, I will tell you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the? Ma'am,
Yes,
can you tell the sixth question in notebook? Note.
Notes. First
The
one.
question is
Please mute.
9807654.
All of you mute. Sixth question not necessary now. Not necessary of sixth question. You write start.
Not in rough book, our class note.
Yes, you have to
Sixth
start
question.
writing in your class notes. You start writing these questions. I will not write the answer. Yes, who is talking? Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, in class notes, sixth question, can you repeat?
I did not give in class notes sixth question. I told you to write in rough book yesterday. If you are understood, I will go to the first question today. I told you in class notes. Yesterday you wrote in rough book. Okay.
Yesterday
you gave some notes.
Yes.
Notes, that one I will tell you afterwards. I will give you afterwards. Which problem you are having, you send me personally, which is the sixth question. Okay. Next one you can write now. Place value chart. Write the heading. Write the heading as.
Ma'am, should we
See the board.
continue?
Yes. Heading you write.
We continue. We need to write.
Please don't talk in between. In class notes.
Ma'am, should we continue or take a new
Yes,
paper?
you can
ma'am?
continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Continuation of notes. This is the same chapter. No need of turning the. In that page only you can continue. Any doubt? No. Yes. Now you write the place value chart.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Ma'am, we all can see the board.
Yes, Aryan, some network issue, you can solve it now.
Ma'am, it's not Aryan,
Please,
Aditya.
others, please mute. Aryan is talking means others, you don't talk. You write your notes and sit.
Again, it is Aditya.
First question you write. Write the following numbers. Write the following numbers in the place value chart. Write the following numbers in the place value chart. That is the first question. Write the following numbers in the place value chart.
Ma'am,
Write the following numbers in the place value chart.
Finish,
Did you
ma'am.
complete it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So you can write the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
First question you write. First question. 8, 9. 8, 9. 6 digits. 8, 9, 7, 8, 7, 8. 8, 9, 7, 8. Yes. 8, 9.
Ma'am, we should write in international or Indian.
Sorry, ma'am, I had some
What?
network issue. Can you
No
show
problem.
Place
You can join.
value chart.
Visa, you can join. No need of asking
Ma'am,
sorry
we
and
need
all.
to write
Yes.
this in the
Ma'am, because in this I want to change the clock error to have the class. So you when I change it, you weren't allowing me to.
No.
You weren't admitting me. Now only you have admit.
No, I did not. No one was there. Yes.
Ma'am, I changed my clock error.
Yes. Listen now.
system
Please. Now only I
Indian.
started writing. You can start writing. I admitted everyone, those who are there. I admitted. I did not see if it, no. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I was in the
Indian
waiting.
system or international
No need of
system?
writing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we should write the place value chart in Indian system or international
Not necessary. You can write this much.
Only Indian system.
Yes. Only Indian system now, both the systems.
Ma'am,
Right? The who
This
is
is the-
asking? Yes. What is your
Ma'am.
doubt?
is this the first one?
Yes, first one. First one I am starting now.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
share the board?
Ah, yes, 1 minute. Now who is having doubt? Anyone is having doubt, you clear it now. Don't ask in between. Yes.
Ma'am, can you say the number?
8, 9, 7, 8, 7, 8. 8, 9. This is the first question.
you say the first board?
This is the first one. Place value chart. Write the following numbers in place value chart. Don't write this place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. Only copy the number, don't copy the answer. I will change the screen now.
Now we should only write the question.
Question you copy it, then you have to write in two system of numeration.
Ma'am,
See his message, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we do comma?
Not attending the class. Huh? No, he left, I think. Left, I think. Aryan left the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, he is there.
No,
Ah, he is there. Okay,
He's
He's
there, ma'am.
he is there.
And he's muted.
Write the following numbers in place value
No,
chart.
ma'am, he
Did you
will
copy the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
Now-
ma'am.
You can start writing the answer.
Ma'am, only in the Indian system.
Both the systems you have to write. Indian system
Okay,
as
ma'am.
well as international system. Yesterday I told you to write in both
Ma'am,
the
can you
system.
show the board again?
No, question I told you. 8, 9, 7, 8, 7, 8.
Can you show the board again?
You don't see the board.
Only write the question.
8, 9, 7, 8, 7, 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Siddhi, what is the answer you wrote in Indian system?
Ma'am, 8 in ones place,
Yes.
7 in tens place,
Yes.
1800s place,
Yes.
17,000s place,
Okay.
9 in 10,000s place,
Yes.
18 lakhs place.
All of you completed that? First
Yes,
part, all
ma'am.
of you completed?
No,
Yes,
ma'am. No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No,
Who did
ma'am.
not complete still? Who did not complete still? Mayuk, yours answer over?
Ma'am, I didn't finish Riza.
Place value chart.
Yes, ma'am, the first one.
First one is Indian system. Yes, Rian, how will you read that number? How you wrote the number name?
Tanvi, please mute.
Rian, what is the answer you wrote for? How you write that number?
Ma'am, only
unmuting
my
yourself.
eyes are having disturbance from Tanvi's house.
Yes.
Sarah, please.
Siddhi, please mute. Yes, Rian.
Ma'am, it's not from my. I was muted.
Yes, Rian. Manas, what is the answer you wrote? In Indian system, how will you read the number?
8,97,878.
Is it correct? All answer, all of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
8,97,878. Is your answer correct?
Ma'am,
We
yes,
should write
ma'am.
number name.
Yes, you have to
Number-
write the number name also.
Can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the first one again?
In the national system, it is
This is ones, tens,
one place.
hundred, thousand, 10,000. This
Ma'am,
is
can you
lakh.
show the first one again?
This is the first one.
And I
This is
can't
the
see
first
board.
one. Yes.
Can you stop it and show again?
Why you cannot see?
No, ma'am.
Eight lakh 97,878. Next
Ma'am, you
dot.
can,
See the answer now.
ma'am, you can show the next one.
Yes. International system.
Can you
Yes.
share the board again?
Why you are sharing the board?
Ma'am, she has not returned the question itself, ma'am.
Question itself she did not write. I told you to write. Yes, Navaneet, what is the answer you wrote in international system? What are the place values?
We can
Ma'am, I want to. Can you show the first slide? Place value chart.
7. You should write place value.
Place 7, 100,000 place 9, millions
Yes.
place 8.
Millions place 8.
And there is
Millions place is there in that?
no, ma'am.
No millions place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, 10,000 place, and
Hundreds.
100,000 place. No millions place. So how will you read that number, Sarah?
Okay, ma'am, I will say.
No.
In one's place,
No, no. How will
Place
you
eight,
write that number name?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. she
okay,
will
ma'am.
say.
8. Ma'am, I will say, ma'am.
Say.
897,878.
Yes, very good. 897,878. All of them wrote
78.
correct answer. Anybody is having doubt here?
Writing.
Anyone is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Completed all of your first problem. Who did not complete? Raise your hands. Not completed. Yes, here. You are doing by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 1 more minute, you can write it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am in the word form of international.
Yes. Word form of international system. Ashwil Krishna, did he completed? No, you completed. Okay. Maria, did you complete now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, before
Parvati not
100.
joined?
Ma'am,
Risa, did you
Ma'am.
complete?
Ma'am,
Yes, come.
before 100,000, is it 10,000?
Ma'am, I am writing the second question.
Who
of
is asking the
place-
doubt?
Ma'am, I am writing the second question
Second
in
question
place
I will give
value
you. Yes.
chart.
Yes. Yes, who is
Ma'am,
asking the
Manav.
doubt now?
Ma'am,
Tell your name
Manav.
and ask.
Ma'am, Manav.
Yes, Manav, tell me, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, does 10,000 come before 100,000? Or is it some?
Yes.
No, 1,000, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, like that. Yes. Shall we go to the second problem?
Yes,
Yes or no?
ma'am.
Yes. Second question, I will write the question on the. Second question, you can write it. This one examples, no need of writing. Second question, this is the second question. Don't see your place value chart, you have to do by yourself. Only question you copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Show the first question for just a second.
Who is asking that?
Ma'am,
This is the first question. Okay, finished?
Ma'am, can you show the second slide,
you.
ma'am?
125, 1, 2, 3. This is the second question. All of you complete the question. Don't see the board in writing the answer. Only 2 minutes. I will change the screen now. 10, 18, you have to stop writing. Copy the question only. 125, 123. That is the number. 125, 123. Don't see the board. Adidev, are you writing?
Ma'am, can you show the first question again? I will write first.
Only write the question.
I want to only write the question.
Ma'am, I want to
Eight,
see
nine,
this very slow in writing, ma'am.
The second question you show.
Sarah, wait for others.
Wait, Rudri, wait. Let Riza write.
Ma'am, my first question finished. Now you can
This
show.
is the second question. One 25, 123. I will stop sharing. 10, 17.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Please mute. I will ask the answers now. Who is Vinny Siju there? Pranav, every day he is sitting. Pranav. Who is that Pranav? Yesterday also he was
Ma'am,
sitting.
Pranav was not in our class, ma'am.
No, yesterday also he came and sat.
Ma'am, we need Sarian.
Who?
Ma'am, we need Sarian.
Vinny is Aryan. Yes, 10, 18.
Can you share the board?
Yes.
Yes, now who did not say any answer now? Nainika, what is the answer you wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? Listen carefully,
Okay,
all of
ma'am.
you now stop writing.
Ones place 3.
Yes,
Tens place 2.
okay,
Hundreds place 1.
yes,
Thousands place 5.
yes,
10,000 place 2.
okay.
Lakhs place 1.
1. How will you read that number? Maria Binu, how will you write this? Write the number in words.
1 lakh,
Yes,
no. 1 lakh,
yes, correct.
25,000,
Okay.
123.
Okay, good. Is it correct answer? All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
1,25,123. Yes, Hrithvi, what is, how you wrote in international system? Hrithvi? What are the place values? Hrithvi, unmute and say. Hrithvi, not completed. Janika?
Yes, ma'am.
Janika, completed now? International system?
No, ma'am.
No, still you are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mayuk, what is the answer you wrote?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in the ones place,
Huh.
ma'am, ma'am, I am writing only, ma'am.
Now still you are writing. How much time you want now? Still you are writing.
Ma'am,
4
what?
minutes.
Say Aditi.
Yes, you can write it. Yes, Thanvin, what is the answer you wrote in international system? What are the place values, Thanvin?
Ma'am, ones place 3,
Yes, very good.
tens place 2,
Yes.
hundreds place 1,
Okay.
10,000 thousands place 5,
Yes.
10,000s place 2,
Okay.
100,000s place 1.
Yes, very good. So what is the number name?
125,000,
Hmm.
123.
Is your answer is correct? All of you got the correct answer.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you,
ma'am.
ma'am, can you say it again, the word form?
125,123. 123. Okay. All of them got correct answer, I think. Finished all of you?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Did you complete? Anyone is having doubt? Yes, Niranjan, next problem you have to do it. Third question. Shall we go to
Ma'am,
the
can
third?
you tell that second
No,
question
ma'am, I am
word?
finished.
Still you
it,
are
ma'am.
writing the second one?
Ma'am, in words, can you tell again?
Yes.
Can you say the international system words again?
Yes, you can write. 125,123.
Ma'am, you can show the next problem.
Yes, next question I will show you.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, still you are writing. Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Who should complete?
Yes,
Raise your
ma'am.
hands. Only raise your hands.
Complete.
Who did not complete? Still my Manav is writing. Yes. All others
Ma'am, I
completed.
can't on my video.
Janvi is writing still. Completed. Manav completed now? Yes. Ashwin is writing still. Still you are writing?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Yes. Which one you are writing?
Ma'am, I can't on my video.
Ma'am,
International
value.
system words.
Yes, yes. In international
Ma'am, I
system?
can't.
ma'am, writing
number name.
international, ma'am.
Okay, number name. Now,
I can't on my video.
yes, next question.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can show the next question, ma'am.
Third one. 7-digit number. 3908623. 3908623. 10:23 now. 10:26 you have to stop writing. 3 minutes I will give you to write. 3 minutes only. Copy the question, don't see the answer. Only copy the question. Third question. 3908623. That is the third question. I will change the screen now.
Ma'am, can you show international system first question? I will note down it.
Ma'am, can you show the third question?
That question you did not write still?
Ma'am, recording.
3908623.
Recording.
Ma'am,
I'm
recording is
recording.
on, ma'am.
Off, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it is wrong.
No, off only.
That is your problem only.
Not
Sarah,
my
can you
problem.
keep quiet?
Please.
Ma'am, can you show international system first one?
This is the first one, international system. First one.
Can you show international system? Second one.
Finished this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show?
Yes, international system, second one.
Ma'am, can you show the third one, Indian system?
Indian system, I am not showing the answer. You can write it. You copy the question.
Ma'am, can you show the first one, international system?
Why still you are writing?
Can you show the third one?
Hari, the international system first one is 89787.
Ma'am, can you show the third question? Ma'am, third question, can you show?
Yes, Srihari completed this.
Ma'am, can you show the third question?
Any one of you ask the doubt.
Adi
Only they are asking one doubt.
Ma'am, Aldev.
Yes.
Can you share the
Third
Ma'am.
question, I will not help anyone.
third
Yes.
question?
Third question is here. 3908623. Navaneet finished. Copy the third question and stop sharing. I will stop sharing now.
Ma'am, 390 and
3908623.
Thank you, ma'am.
3908623. That is the question. You have to write both in international system and Indian system in the place value chart.
Can you share the board?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Sarah.
Ma'am, in the Indian system, in 10,000 place, there is 0, right? What?
Zero, you write. Zero.
Okay,
1000
ma'am.
place 0, you write 0 there.
ma'am, ma'am, what is the
Ma'am,
number
not that.
name of this question?
Ah, yes, I will ask you to stop writing. Finished all of you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
This is 50D.
3, ones place, tens place 2, hundreds place 6, 1000 place 8, 10,000 place 0, lakh place 9,
Ma'am,
10
can you-
lakh place 3.
Ma'am,
This
can
is
you
the
show
place value
international
chart.
system?
Ah, yes, wait.
Can you show?
Yes, 39 lakh 8,623. All of them wrote correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes or no? In Indian system, all of you wrote correct answer? 39
Yes,
lakh
ma'am.
8,000. 8,000 only it will come. Next one is because 0 is there. So 8,623. Okay. Next one.
Ma'am, can you show the international system?
Ah, yes. Now you can go for international system. Third problem. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next one you can write it as million. How will you write this number, Rudra Robin? How you wrote it? How you wrote in international system? What is the number name? What is the number name for this?
Million.
3 million.
And what is spelling million?
This is 50D class.
MILLIO.
3,908,623. 3,908,623. That is in international system.
Ma'am, so before question also we should write the number name of international system also.
Yes, for every problem you have to write it. That is why that one only you are learning now. How will you write in both the system of numeration? How will you insert comma
Okay,
here in
ma'am.
international system? Here.
Ma'am,
Like this.
finish.
3, 3, 1.
Finish,
3
ma'am.
digits here, 3 digits here. The next one is 1. Okay, 10:30 now. Next period we can continue the 2 problems, and afterwards we can have, how will you compare the numbers? Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Still anyone is having doubt? No doubt. I think
No
all
doubt.
of you understood. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.